When I go visit my hairdresser, the last thing she asks me at the end of my visit is, how am I doing for products? And if I'm running low, then she makes a recommendation for me of what the best product at the time for my hair is. And sometimes it may be, gosh, the ends of your hair are a little bit dry, and this is the best product that we have on the market right now. I would recommend you try this. Or maybe it's a different styling product. But you get the point. Now I notice even when I take my son or when I go with my husband to the barber shop, they do the same thing. The reason for this is that your hairdresser knows your hair as well as you do, maybe even better. So I chuckle now when they ask me this, because we do the same thing at our dental practice. There are enough products on the market, enough dental products on the market right now that are specifically made for specific problems in the mouth, that a dental hygienist or a dentist can make great recommendations for you of things that would make your mouth even healthier. You're already brushing your teeth and you are probably already rinsing with some type of mouthwash. So why not use one that's custom made for your particular dental situation? So some of the things that are on the market today are, a lot of patients suffer from dry mouth. It's a very common side effect of taking several different medications. And a lot of our patients are on more than one medication. If you're over 50 and are on a heart medication or a cholesterol medication, or even any two medications, you probably have experienced at one time or another dry mouth. This can be devastating because dry mouth turns on the bacteria in your mouth and will cause dental cavities. And boy, will they take off really fast in a dry mouth. So there are a lot of products that your hygienist or that your dentist can recommend that will help with dry mouth. One of them is Biotene over the counter. There's also prescription ones too. Another product that helps with dry mouth or with cavities, if we're starting to see more cavities in a patient, are Xylitol products. These are the best and most fun products to use because they're disguised as candy. So you want to make sure with Xylitol products, if they're recommended for you, that they're 100% Xylitol. So this is one of my favorite ones. This is a mint, and this one is a prescription one. It's it's considered a medicine, but can you see right there? It says 100%. There it goes. That's really important because a lot of the products that are available at like GNC or super supplements may have a mixture of xylitol sweeteners along with another type of sweetener, and they're just not quite as good. But boy, are they sure better than regular candy. So patients with dry mouth can use a xylitol mint or a xylitol sucker, and it helps to stimulate your saliva flow. So those are fantastic. Now for patients who actually have had cavities or have any type of bacterial problem in their mouth, cavities or periodontal disease, then you're into a category of patients where over-the-counter products are not recommended for you anymore. You really want to have your hygienist recommend and prescribe a medicated toothpaste and mouth rinse. And these can be mixed and matched to be specific for what you need. Kind of like, back to the hairdresser analogy, kind of like using one shampoo and a different brand of conditioner to meet your specific goals for your hair. One of my favorite medicated toothpaste right now is ClinPro 5000. This is fantastic. They have finally figured out how to put chemistry in these products that can actually remineralize your tooth. This is kind of revolutionary because everything in the past has been focused on making the tooth tougher and more resistant to cavities, and that's where fluoride was used. But now they figured out a way to make the chemistry work so that calcium and phosphates can be added to the toothpaste and then soaked up by the tooth to actually heal the start of a cavity. And we've been experimenting with deeper and deeper cavities, when the patient allows us, and using these products and waiting and watching, and we've actually seen some pretty deep cavities actually stop and heal. And so I'm a big fan. I think that, if we can stop and be really minimalistic in dentistry, that's fantastic. I'll just introduce you to one more product, and then this one's called GCMI Paste. And we are using this for anybody who has braces, anybody who's wearing appliances at night, This is also good for sensitivity. If you whiten your teeth and your teeth are sensitive, this can help to reseal and prevent that sensitivity. So anyway, there's hundreds of products, but the point I'm trying to make is use your hygienist the way that you would a personal trainer or a hairdresser. Ask their opinion, ask their advice of what you can do to be even healthier. And I think it's really exciting because these products don't cost a lot more than things over the counter, but the potential benefit can really have a big cost savings. If you prevent one cavity or one tooth from being lost, then all of those products that you've used and paid just a teensy bit more for will have been well worth the investment.